In this video, I would like to show you how you can introduce yourself to the course community. So first of all, why exactly should you introduce yourself to the course community? Well, first of all, I think it is just a great addition for you, for instance, to get in contact with other people here in this course, to perhaps even meet up online with students and to study together. And of course, the second reason is I want to build a global community of speed learners. So please just go to the Udemy Q&A section and tell me why you are taking this course. So why exactly do you want to become a speed learner? What is in it for you? What is your reason to join this course? So how exactly can you enter the Udemy Q&A section? Well, after you watch this video, just click in the right top corner on Go to Dashboard, and then afterwards you will see something called Q&A. Click on Q&A and then afterwards there will be a white box. And normally in that white box you can ask me questions and then I get back to you. But this time I want you to only answer the question, why exactly are you taking this course? It would really mean the world to me. Alright, that was it now here for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see each other in the Udemy Q&A section.